Explore new styles and be a fashionista. Speak with me. Skirt. Socks. Suit. Sweater. T-shirt. Tie. Hey, cutie, what clothes do you like to wear? Blouse. Cap. Dress. Hey, cutie, what clothes do you like to wear? Frock. Gloves. Handkerchief. Hat. Hey, cutie, what clothes do you like to wear? Jacket. Jeans. Raincoat. Sorry. Scarf. Shirt. Hey, cutie, what clothes do you like to wear? Shoes. Shorts. Skirt. Hey, cutie.
Let's bloom happiness with flowers. Speak with me. Daisy. Hibiscus. Jasmine. Lavender. Lily. Lotus. Marigold. Orchid. Rose. Sunflower. Tulip. Aster. Calendula. What is your favorite flower? Champa. Daffodils. Daisy. What is your favorite flower? Hibiscus. What is your favorite flower?
Start your engine and get ready to ride. Ambulance. Balloon. Bicycle. Boat. Bus. Car. Cement mixer. Crane. Dump truck. Fire engine. Forklift. Helicopter. Motorcycle. Police car. Scooter. Taxi. Tractor. Train. Airplane.
Spread your wings and fly high like birds. Vulture. Woodpecker. Which is your favorite bird? Crow. Duck. Eagle. Hen. Ostrich. Owl. Which is your favorite bird? Parrot. Peacock. Pigeon. Rooster. Which is your favorite bird? Seagulls. Sparrow. Swan. Toucan.
Welcome to Jurassic Park. Sheep. Sheep. Snake. Which is your favorite animal? Tiger. Which is your favorite animal? Turtle. Wolf. Zebra. Ant. Bear. Bull. Camel. Cat. Chameleon. Cow. Which is your favorite animal? Crocodiles. Dog. Which is your favorite animal? Donkey. Which is your favorite animal? Elephant. Fox. Giraffe. Goat. Which is your favorite animal? Gorilla. Hippo. Horse. Kangaroo. Leopard. Which is your favorite animal? Lion. Which is your favorite animal? Monkey. Mouse. Panda. Pig. Which is your favorite animal? Rabbit. Seal. Which is your favorite animal? Sheep. Come on, the rainbow is waiting for you.
Repeat after me. Red. Blue. Brown. Cyan. Gray. Green. Marron. Orange. Pink. Purple. Can you name your favorite color? Black. Can you name your favorite color? White. Yellow. Red. Can you name your favorite color?
Shape your brain with the shapes. Speak with me. Triangle. Square. Rectangle. Parallelogram. Rhombus. Trapezium. Kite. Pentagon. Hexagon. Heptagon. Octagon. Nonagon. Decagon. Circle. Semicircle. Oval. Triangle.
Let's learn the countries' names.
Speak with me. India. United States of America. Canada. France. United Kingdom. Japan. Mexico. Germany. What country are you from? Italy. Brazil. Switzerland. Argentina. Australia. What country are you from? Spain. China. Russia. Indonesia. What country are you from? New Zealand. South Africa. Egypt. What country are you from? Bangladesh. Nigeria. Thailand. Turkey. Philippines.
It's time to try some delicious dried fruits. Repeat after me. Raisins. Saffron. Walnuts. Almond. Apricot. Cashew nuts. Dates. Dried dates. Dried figs.
Yummy!
Pistachios. Raisins. Let's play, learn, and grow together.
Repeat after me. Cricket. Pool. What is your favorite sport? Bowling. Karate. Weightlifting. Football. Table tennis. Basketball. What is your favorite sport? Tennis. What is your favorite sport? Baseball. Golf. Hockey. Volleyball. Badminton. Swimming. Boxing.